All you'll need is something flat like a blunt knife and a small screwdriver. Insert the end of the blunt knife or something like a coin into the notch, twist the yellow plug and then remove it with your small screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to remove the old O-ring from inside the lance. Place the new O-ring inside and ensure it's flat and not scrunched up. Then insert your new yellow plug and with your blunt knife or coin, twist it and lock it in place. Now your new plug and O-ring seal is all set to go.